Adding propellers on WordPress is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can add propellers on WordPress. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, first of all, you need to install WP Quads app. So how can you do that? So for that, you just have to, go to your, WooCommerce, and then in the WooCommerce, you just have to, go to the plugins. Now in the plugins, you can actually, search for WP Quads, and you can install WP Quads. Now, after installing it, you just have to click on this create ad. Now, after clicking on create ad, this is what you will see here. You have to, click on propeller ads. Now, after clicking on that, you have to enter the name of the ad, and then you have to enter the script. Afterwards, you just have to enter the configuration. After configuring it, you can actually select ad position. Now, after that, you can, do these things. These are the last steps. And at the very end, you just have to publish it by clicking on this publish button. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.